This is the mullet of house searches. This house comes with its own dentist's office.
I'm your global real estate agent, Drew Scott.
I want to say to all Cape Codians,
What?
I'm sorry.
That's a big bulb.
That's a big bulb. Your Highness.
25 million?
Oh! Not all beachfront properties are created equal. So today we are going to guess the list prices from beachfront properties all across the country.
But the catch is that we only get to see 5 photos of each property.
Yeah, whoever gets best 2 out of 3 wins.
And if those stakes are not high enough, the loser also has to pick a punishment from the punishment bucket. We have a very high budget for all of our set decks.
Why do you get to hold the punishment bucket?
Well, I actually created all the punishments, and it has your name on all of them. Jonathan has to.
This is the worst idea because Drew on Brother vs. Brother put a crocodile in a room with me and locked the door.
That was a punishment for the crocodile.
He's really friendly. You should put your hand down there.
What are you doing putting a live gator in my project?
I'm gonna leave you two to get acquainted. I'll talk to you later. I hope this doesn't slow down your project.
You've got to be kidding me, right? Drew! I was like, this is dangerous. This thing could kill me. You're like, it's a baby croc. It'll just take your hand off.
Yeah, it's just a hand. You have another one. Stop your complaining.
I need
Let's
these.
get down to business. Game on. All right.
Oh, love that. That looks like a postcard.
Hey, this looks like it's an East Coast property to me.
Yeah, we got a little New England charm.
New England is a region that includes multiple states. So what states are in New England?
So when we travel, New Hampshire, Massachusetts would be in there, yeah. Yeah, so that's it.
Is this New England? Woo! Cape Cod, okay.
Cape Cod.
It's a hook-shaped peninsula that includes several small islands, most notably Martha Stewart's Vineyard and Nantucket. I know I said that wrong.
There are a dozen historic lighthouses on the peninsula dating back to the 1700s.
Okay, so
reclaimed wood on the ceiling.
It's a reclaimed wood. It doesn't look as bad as I thought it was going to look.
Look at that view, though. That view is incredible. Look at the corner of that table.
Somebody really is anxious for their food at that edge of the table, scratching it up.
And that's the charm about Cape Cod, is you have these gorgeous homes, but they've got character.
It doesn't look as raw as I thought it would, but it doesn't look newly renovated.
Oh my gosh, all of a sudden I changed my opinion.
Wait, is this a basement?
No, you see, this house comes with its own dentist's office.
Yeah. These photos look like they've been stretched. So someone's trying to make this look bigger than it is. Is that a deck that you're walking on? Because I see shingles.
Yeah, that's sort of that Cape Cod style.
Yeah. Ugh.
Wait, hold on, wait. This is not the same property. Is this the same property?
That is, see?
Go back to the very first image again.
This is the thing. You don't understand.
What? Now I'm thinking it's all land value. See, this is what's impossible about this, though, is we don't have any of the details. We don't know the lot size. We don't know. I mean, that alone would determine how much this place is worth. How many zeros?
I want some bonus clues, so.
All right, find out some features of this property. Which popular snack food is Cape Cod known for? A, potato chips.
B, kettle corn.
C, peanut butter pretzels.
D, saltwater taffy. Saltwater taffy seems too on the nose.
Way too on the nose.
Okay, and 3, 2, 1.
Saltwater taffy.
Is it saltwater taffy? Kettle corn?
What? Potato chips? Sorry, you guys just didn't see my full answer.
The chips. Sorry, you didn't see my full answer.
What was your full answer?
Ippy chips.
Are we gonna suck this much at all of this?
To discover the sale price in 2002, what species of whale is most commonly spotted in the waters of Cape Cod? A, blue whale.
B, humpback whale.
C, orca.
D, beluga.
Okay, I got it.
All right. What was the answer? That was my second guess.
So far, we still got no extra clues. Can you have one that just is like, what letter does Cape Cod start with?
I want to say to all Cape Codians, I'm sorry.
I've never been to Cape Cod specifically. I would love to come. Just don't deny me because of my lack of knowledge. Let's do a guess without knowing the size of the lot. The house looks pretty tiny. Okay. 1.2 million.
1.5 million. Wait, you guys gasped when we said it. The actual list price? 1.27. Oh my gosh.
Oh, I know these things. What was I telling you in the beginning? I just know these things. I thought they were gasping because we were so far off, it's ridiculous.
I was doing my offer. It came with a lifetime supply of potato chips.
It came with the humpback whale? Jonathan's comes with the humpback whale. All right. One for the good guys.
Whoa.
Ooh, a
Talk
lot
about a party house.
I think this is Florida.
Okay.
Where do you think this is?
Beachfront, yeah, that's a pretty good guess. It does have those Florida vibes.
I say Florida.
Whoa, Myrtle Beach. South Carolina actually has incredible beach lines. Over 14 million visitors annually. I'm reading this, it's not like I have that memorized. The rental market is robust. The average house sits on the market for 112 days. That's not the competitive market.
Okay. Also, the average home is $250,000, which is down 28.3% from last year. This house is not a $250,000 house. I am guessing that much.
Were they going for that Myrtle Beach castle aesthetic?
Is that a mint green?
It looks to me like this is something that was built either like early 90s or renovated in the early 90s. The architect of this home should retire to Myrtle Beach now.
Yeah, this is really choppy.
I know what this is. This is the mullet of house searches. Party in the front,
No, business in the
business
front.
in the front, party in the back.
You were talking about a reverse mullet.
Yeah, 90s tile. I remember when those were for sale. The height in here, this is a great big party
beautiful
space.
home.
The view is worth it.
This is a huge house.
I wish they had put some more consideration into the colors in their main areas and their exterior.
Yeah, that maroon or whatever, along with the mint green.
Yeah. Okay, there's potential here.
Okay, you can see that last room is the one above the kitchen here.
To find out the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, answer this clue. Myrtle Beach is known as the blank capital of the world.
A, snorkeling.
B, frisbee,
C, mini golf.
and D, electric scooter.
I know this.
All right.
It's D. It is absolutely D. Don't tell
I'm
me
going
it's
with
not
golf.
D. No, it's not a mini golf capital.
People are working up to the real golf.
What's the answer?
That's what it is. What? So Myrtle Beach has more mini golf courses per square mile than anywhere else in the world. You're not allowed to know this.
Wait, only he gets. Oh, yeah, I guess that makes sense. To learn if your first guess is higher or lower than the list price, which of these famous people is not from South Carolina? A, Stephen Colbert.
B, Danny McBride.
C, Chadwick Boseman.
D, Kevin Hart.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Please tell me I'm right. Who's right?
Kevin Hart.
Wait, where's he from?
Philadelphia, yeah.
I should have known that. You know what? He gets 2 hints and I get no hint. If I still beat you with a better price than
It's
you.
not fair. You know, I teach my 7 and 9-year-old, they're not allowed to say it's not fair because life is not fair.
No, this is fair because I'm still going to beat you and you have 2 hints that I don't get.
You have to tell me if it's higher, if the actual price is higher or lower. Okay? So now we do our actual guess.
All right, actual guess is
Knowing how many bedrooms and bathrooms there are. Are you ready?
all right. And
Myrtle Beach. Boom. Why is everybody looking at us like we're idiots?
Am I too high? No, I don't think I'm too high. I think this is pretty good.
You said that.
Whoa, look who got it again.
How is that? What the thing said the average sale price was $250,000.
Yeah, but it's not the waterfront property that's $250,000. This is waterfront.
Have you checked with
Price
your
is Right.
security team to make sure Drew hasn't hacked your system?
This means that I actually win, but
No.
just for giggles.
Let's do all or nothing.
No.
All or nothing here.
Nope. I have an idea.
All or nothing.
If you lose this one as well, so you lose 3, you get 2 punishments. And then if
you
I
lose,
lose, I do
you
1
do one.
punishment. Okay, I'm
Okay.
game for that.
All right. I like it.
This looks like Miami.
Well, there's not enough skyscrapers for Miami. I would say, is it maybe Fort Lauderdale? Boom, Mr. Real Estate.
Well, I knew it was Florida. I just didn't know where in Florida.
Fort Lauderdale, often known as the Venice of America, with its extensive canals and boats to navigate.
All right, so the average home price is $480,000. Housing prices are up 8% year over year.
By state, Florida has the most registered owners of boats and yachts. 8% of the population owns a nautical vehicle.
God,
I mean,
this
tight lot. It's all house.
But this is prime real estate. You're right in the canals.
But which canal?
Oh, fancy. Okay.
Ooh.
This house isn't bad. It looks pretty nice. Is that a padded wall, though? It is padded.
Wow. Okay.
yeah.
Very modern. So obviously freshly renovated.
This is a tough one because in some areas of Florida, I know you can get a gigantic house for a lot less. And in other areas, it's such a sought after thing. It's like $10 million. Give me some trivia.
To discover the square footage, what is the term for for the area at the front of the yacht?
A, stern, B, bow, C, starboard, and D, port. I'm picturing movies where they're like, look out, starboard!
You know what wasn't helpful? The 9 martinis you clearly drank before speaking.
Okay. I bow. Is it? Yes, I'm smarter.
Or equally as smart as your twin brother.
Yeah.
Just less good looking.
So we both get to see this. Okay.
All right. So it says 11,681 square feet on a 0.3 acre lot.
Okay, that's exactly what I thought. To discover the year this property was built, what is the state animal of Florida? A, panther, B, alligator, C, flamingo, or D, sandhill crane? If you say panther, I quit. And flamingo? We both said flamingos. All right, what is it?
The Florida
What?
Panther?
A
Really?
panther? I guess that's like a sports mascot as well. I should have known that.
Yeah, but in Vegas, the Golden Knights aren't the official mascot of the state of Nevada.
Would it be that bad to have your sports team like the Florida Flamingo? Is that not intimidating for a sports team? All right, write down your final answer.
Okay, oh gosh, so 11,000 plus square feet, 0.3 acres on the canals.
Okay, ready? 7.8 million.
12 million.
25
million?
Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh, and it's been on the market for 4,000 days?
All right, I knew it was expensive, but I didn't think it was gonna be that much.
Was this an all or nothing? I think it was.
I think we both need to take a punishment and do it together.
No, I think we follow the rules.
All right. Do a wall sit for 1 minute while holding a ladder and reciting the alphabet forwards and backwards. Who came up with these?
I thought you said you came up with these.
No, I was lying. I was just trying to intimidate you.
I don't even think he can do the alphabet part.
I shouldn't have agreed to this. I should just let you take your punishment.
You should have, yeah.
All right.
And I want full parallel with the ground. No, lower.
No.
Lower. There we go. Hold the ladder and go.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T.
I like how he's going faster all of a sudden.
Now I just messed up. S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Wait, what? W, X, Y, Z. Okay, this is harder than I thought.
If anybody's looking for a realtor that
Y,
doesn't know how to do the
X.
alphabet, here's your guy.
W, V, U, T, S, R. Wait, what the hell?
My kids can do this.
Q, P, O, N, M.
Your legs are shaking.
Okay, bye.
If you want to see Drew embarrass himself a heck of a lot more, subscribe to our YouTube channel. There's more of this to come.
L,
You got to start over.
J,